Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. My name is David Gafford, and today we're going to take an in-depth look into the BBQ Dragon Fan and the BBQ Dragon Chimney of Insanity as a brand new way to be able to light your charcoal fires. And we've got it all coming up. BBQ Dragon has been helping people light their fires and add accessories to the barbecue world for many years now. And we came upon the idea of the BBQ Dragon Fan and Chimney just about a year ago, and we've been using it as one of the ways that we start our fires here at the house and here at the lab. At first glance, the BBQ Dragon Chimney of Insanity might look like any other chimney that's on the market, except for the nice laser-cut BBQ Dragon logo on the bottom. But what makes it really unique in the space is what's happening on the opposite side. When you look at the opposite side here, you see a port to be able to use the BBQ Dragon Fan to be able to accelerate your chimney lighting when you're trying to light a chimney of charcoal. Now, the BBQ Dragon Fan looks a little bit like this. You have a fan on the end here, and you have a clamp. And this clamp makes it so you can clamp it to a grill or a table, whatever it is you'd like to do. And then it's very, very simple operation. You have a knob here on the top that you can turn, and you can regulate the speed of the fan based on how far you turn that knob. So if you take this and you hook it to your grill, take this, clamp it to your grill, you can take this and maybe push this down this way so you can get it into the port. And all you do is simply stick a fire starter into the port on the Chimney of Insanity, and it turbocharges and accelerates that fire right up to the bottom of the chimney. Now, if you look inside the bottom of the BBQ Dragon, you'll notice that the port has a 90-degree angle. So the fire's not shooting right into the side of the wall, it's shooting right up into the bottom of that full chimney of charcoal, and that's what's going to give you that whole bottom row that's lit almost instantly. Now, we found that this greatly accelerates how fast you can light a chimney of charcoal, but really when it comes down to it, the best way to be able to show you is to actually show you. So let's head outside. We're gonna go ahead and fill a chimney full of charcoal, get the BBQ Dragon lit up, and show you how this thing works. All right, here we are out in the outdoor kitchen. We've got the BBQ Dragon, and we have the best way to light the BBQ Dragon Chimney of Insanity. After talking with the guys over at BBQ Dragon, they said grab a newspaper, and that's all this fan needs to fire this thing up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and fill the Chimney of Insanity with some lump charcoal. We're doing steaks on the grill tonight, and we'll go ahead and get that fired up, and we'll put a timer on the screen so you can see just how long it takes. Ready? Here we go. Alrighty, so that's how long it takes to go ahead and light up a chimney of lump charcoal using the BBQ Dragon Chimney of Insanity and Fan. Now, one of the things that you probably can't hear on video is there's a definitive time when it goes from, it's just blowing air against paper to it's actually an inferno of fire. And you can actually hear that in the video, which is fascinating. Oh, there it is. Turn it into a focus. But the whole idea here is that we have lit this chimney, and some of the coals, as it got lit, you notice that it started to drop through the bottom of the chimney. That's that lump that got too small to be held by the bottom. But let me show you what it looks like here. So there's what's left that fell out of the chimney while we were lighting it. That was too small to fall and fell through. And we'll go ahead and add it. All right, so that's it for the lump charcoal test. Now, this thing can also use regular briquettes in addition to lump charcoal, but today we're cooking steaks and I wanted some lump charcoal on the Kamado, so that's what we're gonna use to test it. So hopefully you enjoyed that. We'll go ahead and throw it back inside. All right, so that's it. That's how the BBQ Dragon Fan and the BBQ Dragon Chimney of Insanity works. If you're at all interested in this, make sure you check the link out in the description below. We'll have a place where you can check the current price and actually make a purchase of this product if you're interested in it. And by the way, if you do that and you click that link below, all it does is helps our channel. It doesn't cost you a penny more to buy it, but it helps us to be able to make sure that we keep content coming just for you, to be able to bring you the best reviews in barbecue and outdoor living. Hey, before you click away, if you're on Instagram, we would love to have you come and join us on that platform. We're always posting the sales that we find out about here in the barbecue community, as well as behind the scenes information on all kinds of stuff that we do here at the BBQ Lab. So if you're on Instagram, come on over and find us at BBQ Labs. We'd love to see you join us there. Now, also, if you're into outdoor cooking and outdoor living, we're getting ready to have our reveal of our outdoor kitchen that we've built here. That's going to be our new studio. That's coming up in not too long, and we'd love to have you come back and see that with us. So subscribe to the channel while you're here so you can make sure that you know about it as soon as we put new videos up about that. I'm David from the BBQ Lab, and I want to say thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I can't wait to see you next time as we review the best in outdoor living and outdoor cooking. We'll see you soon.